Hello, I'm Jason, and welcome to Microsoft 365 TimeSavers, a new video series that delivers snackable, time-saving tips to help you get more out of your day with Microsoft 365. These short videos will help you unlock tools, capabilities, and tricks that you may not know about, but are already at your fingertips today. I'll show you things from small hacks to big features across your favorite Microsoft 365 apps, including Teams, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. In this first episode, I'm going to show you how to share files that you've been working on when you're on the move using the Microsoft 365 app. Every so often, I'm asked to share a file when I'm away from my PC. Rather than wait till I'm at my PC again, I'm going to show you how I can easily do this with the Microsoft 365 app right from my phone. The homepage has a powerful search feature making it easy to find any file I need with a simple keyword search, or I can find it from the recently used files. From here, click the ellipses and click Share. You'll notice this works just like on a PC. I can either send an email with a message, or I can use the copy link feature to send it in another app. If I don't want them to be able to edit the file, I can easily change the permissions to view only. When I hit apply, it copies the link, and I can switch back to the chat to paste and send it, so that the recipient receives the file in the flow of their work. Easy, right? The Microsoft 365 app is available on iOS and Android, so be sure to download it today.